Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your phone's hotspot and naming it. This is essential so the Xbox can find a clear SSID. Once done, you go to the Xbox guide, select Settings, then Network to begin scanning. Make sure your phone's hotspot uses WPA2 and a short password for quick entry. Also verify mobile data is active. Without cellular data, the Xbox won't access online services. You are doing these steps now, so the console sees the hotspot immediately and avoids roaming between networks. You select your phone's SSID in the Xbox wireless setup and enter the hotspot password. Type slowly because one wrong character prevents connection. Once connected, the console performs a network test. Watch for IP assignment and NAT type. If you have a dual-band hotspot, choose 2. 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz when you need lower latency. Either way, disable VPN or data limits on your phone to avoid throttling. Finally, save the network and confirm the Xbox shows connected before proceeding. You run the Xbox network diagnostic to confirm NAT, latency, and bandwidth. This tells you if multiplayer or downloads will work. Once done, test a quick store or multiplayer sign-in to verify functionality. If you see DNS, IP, or authentication errors, reboot both phone and console, then retry. This often refreshes DHCP leases. In stubborn cases, check tethering permissions in your phones, carrier settings, or temporarily turn off hotspot security to isolate the fault. Then restore it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.